So guys, I'm at Scarborough Town Center Mall. And then I see something like do not feed the pigeon. Let me see. Sorry. Let me check something while you're watching it. Right there. Do not feed the pigeon or other birds, right? See the pigeon? He said no. Don't put food on the ground for the pigeon. He said notice. This is how it looks. Just a bit. Let me see. Let me see the pigeon. That's the pigeon I'm talking about. They keep the pigeon on the road. I want to see the pigeon ready. These are the pigeons they're talking about. These are the pigeons that they're talking about. You see that? He said, don't feed it. They will continue to beat me. They will not escape from here. And I will show you what they do to this place. That people say, don't feed it. He said, don't put food on the ground for them to eat. You see the pigeon, they're not afraid of him. You put food on the ground, they will lay here during the winter. In the winter, they won't escape to go to the net. You see that? They will be eating all through mature granite or biscuit or anything. So see what they can do to the place. You see all here, you see the sharp area. They don't want pigeons sitting here and shitting. Some people, you see here too? You see that with the net? You see that? These are the pigeon shit in the world. So that's it, guys. What the heck? The boss leaving me. I'm late, the boss leaving me. I'm late, the boss leaving me. But yeah, less than 10 seconds ago. You see here, I missed my boss because of the pigeon I'm showing you guys.